All right, well, if you're hoping to snag a deal on a used car, it may be hard to find. According to a new report from Edmunds, used car prices are softening, but they're still pretty high, historically speaking. Yahoo Finance senior autos reporter Pras Subramanian here to break it down. Pras, what exactly are we looking at here?
So used car prices in Q1 this year slipped a bit, 6.4%, but they're still up 44% compared to a year ago. So very, very high levels here from the pre-pandemic levels. So, conversely, the average transaction price for used cars is $28,000. That's compared to $19,600 5 years ago. So we're seeing that skyrocketing past that $20,000 mark, generally known as the mark as to where you could get a decent used car now. Now $20,000 used cars have 100,000 miles, things like that. So, why is this so bad? Many entry-level used car buyers are people that are buying their first car. And if they can't get a cheap, reliable used car, that can be bad for the economy and things like that. So, one thing that we're seeing that's a problem right now is supply too. It's not just price, it's supply. Used car supply, especially those $20,000 sub cars, has now been cut in half. And Edmunds gives a bunch of reasons why. We're seeing low trading volume for people. People are hanging on to their cars. Low lease volume, fewer leases, so cars coming off leases is sort of depressed. And then finally, rental car companies are hanging on to used cars or hanging on to their fleets longer because they can't replace them with cheaper new cars. So it's like a triple whammy here for why.
Yeah, so it also doesn't sound like the picture is going to improve anytime soon.
The only little possible good little bright spot is maybe if the new car market sort of weakens and manufacturers got to start incentivizing people to buy those new cars, they might bring downward pressure on the used car market, but they don't see that happening because the new car makers are more smart about their managing inventory. They're making fewer cars. They want to keep that price as high as possible.
Yeah, all right, interesting stuff. Pras, thanks so much.